Ding, ding, ding. Hey Yoda. Hi. I got a crap. So? That means you gotta leave. No, it doesn't. Okay, whatever. This guy's just weird. Oh my god!
What the heck is that guy doing in there?
Oh my gosh. I haven't been just like... Gotta use the bathroom so bad, hold on. Oh god, here comes the second wave!
That's an elephant crap.
Oh my gosh.
It's just a tsunami. It's Katrina.
Shut up over there, monkey. It's not funny.
Yes, it is. Katrina, oh my. Oh my.
Oh my gosh, where'd the toilet go? God, there's poo all over the place. Yoda, you can clean it up. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Clean up my crap. I'm not gonna clean it with a freaking napkin if that's what you're thinking. What are you gonna clean it up with then? My face. God, nasty. Flipping nasty hobos. Oh. Yeah, I already cleaned up after the monkey today. Let's get some more! Hi.
What the heck? It's me, now this. Well, hey. Hey.
Stay back, little monkey. This is the hand of the clouds. I control Yoda, so I made him clean up the poo and let you want him dumped all in the forest. I'm the hand that controls the Yoda.
Man, at least I would have some toilet paper.
Hey man, where'd Yoda go? Oh my. Man, I think our audience should see this.
Okay.
This is pretty disturbing. You see all of the dumpage. Oh my. Oh! God, got all of them. Oh, God.
Well, anyway. Hey, like my banana. My banana.
I wasn't eating my own crap.
Dude.
Mommy!